This is the Artisan Sourdough Made Simple book by Emily Raffa. I purchased this book as I was just starting to get into sourdough, and the beginner's recipe for just an artisan loaf is the one that I still use every single time I go to make my weekly loaf. So right now, as you can see, I am in the process of making sourdough. So I do use her everyday sourdough recipe. It is so simple. She doesn't even have stretch and folds in this recipe, so it is so great for just the most beginner sourdough maker. And like I said, I have been making sourdough for some time, and I still do use this exact recipe. It has always worked very well for me. I also love that it has pictures that show you exactly how you're supposed to handle your sourdough as it's going through the process. So in addition to just your basic sourdough loaf recipe, she has so many other great ideas in here. I wish I could say that I have made them all, but I have not. But there are so many that I'm excited to try. So overall, this is an amazing book. It is my go-to recipe book for anything sourdough. I would definitely recommend this book by Emily Raffa.